Hello, my name is Attorney Richard Ravosa with the Massachusetts Bankruptcy Center. We have offices throughout Massachusetts. We can be found on the web at www.massachusettsbankruptcycenter.com. One of the big questions that people ask when they call our office is, should I file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy or should I file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy? Generally, that answer is determined based upon several factors. Chief among them is, how much money do you make? If you make too much money, you're going to be in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. If you pass the means test, you're going to be in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Most people who file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy are behind on their mortgage payment. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy will give you 3 to 5 years to catch up on your past due mortgage payments. Gives you some breathing room. It protects you from your creditors. As long as you have monthly income coming in to catch up on your mortgage, the bankruptcy court will give you 3 to 5 years to catch up on that mortgage. A Chapter 7 case, on the other hand, is for people who want a discharge of all their debts and maybe want to just walk away from their house. If they've had it and they want to give the house back to the bank, a Chapter 7 is a terrific way to get rid of that mortgage once and for all, pay nothing, owe nothing, walk away in 3.5 to 4 months. Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you're in it for 3 or 5 years typically, unless you get some money from another source and you have court permission to pay off your debts early. You can get out of the bankruptcy early also. In terms of what type of documents are required for both types of bankruptcies, we're going to need your financial documents, full disclosure of all your assets, all your liabilities, tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements, copies of your car registration. Another big question people ask, can I keep my car if I file bankruptcy? The answer is, yes you can, as long as you continue to pay for it if you have a car payment. Or if your car's paid off, the bankruptcy code is very generous in allowing you exemptions to keep your car. But each case is determined on an individual basis. So we'd have to know the make and model and year of your car and the book value of your car before we answer that question as it applies to you. But generally, most people who file bankruptcy get to keep their house by using the Homestead Act. There's a federal Homestead Act under the Bankruptcy Code, and there's also a state homestead protection available under Massachusetts law. Before we file any bankruptcy case, we do a thorough investigation of all of your assets and let you know what we can protect, and if something is exposed or at risk, we let you know before the case is filed. If you have any questions about these or any other issues regarding bankruptcy or Chapter 13 or Chapter 7 cases, please give our office a call at 617-720-1101, out in Worcester at 508-655-3013, or in the Greater Springfield area, 413-734-4147, or visit us on the web at www.massachusettsbankruptcycenter.com. Thank you.